Squaring any number. Square 2, that is 4, and then multiply 3 by 2, 6, and then multiply by 2, that is 12. So we put 2, carry 1 on the next number. And then square 3, 9 plus 1, 10. The answer is 1024. Another example is 49 squared. So square 9, that is 81. Square 4, that is 16. And then 4 times 9, 36 times 2, 72. So we add 72. 1. 10, carry 1. 14, carry 1. The answer is 2,401. Squaring numbers beginning with 1. Square 2, that is 4. Double 2, 4. And then square 1. Square 4, 16. Write 6, carry 1. Double 4, 8. Plus 1, 9. And then square 1. Square 7, 49. Write 9, carry 4. Double 7, 14. Plus 4, 18. Carry 1. Double 1, 1. Plus 1, 2. Squaring numbers ending in 1. Then square 1, that is 1. Double 3, that is 6. Then square 3, 9. Square 1, double 6, that is 12. Write 2, carry 1. Square 6, 36 plus 1, 37. Square 1, 1. Double 9, that is 18. Carry 1. Square 9, 81 plus 1, 82. Squaring numbers beginning with 5. So square 2, that is 0, 4. Then 5 squared, 25 plus 2, 27. Square 4, 16. Square 5, 25 plus 4, 29. Square 8, 64. Square 5, 25 plus 8, 33. Squaring numbers ending in 5. Square 5, 25, and then multiply 2 by the next number 3. So 2 times 3, 6. Square 5, 25, multiply 6 by the next number 7. 6 times 7, 42. Square 5, 25, then multiply 9 by the next number 10. So 9 times 10, 90. Squaring numbers near base 100. So 100 minus 93, that is 7. So we subtract 7. So 93 minus 7, that is 86. And then we write 86, square 7, that is 49. The answer is 8,649. 100 minus 98 is 2. So we subtract 98 by 2. Then subtract 96. So we have 96. Square 2, that is 4. So 0, 4. Squaring numbers near 100. Square 2, that is 0, 4. Double 2, 0, 4. And then square 1, that is 1. The answer is 10,404. Square 6, 36, double 6, 12, and then square 1, 1. The answer is 11,236. Square 9, 81, double 9, 18, and then square 1, 1. The answer is 11,881.